Hello everyone, I'm Rakhi Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here in the UAE. And today we have not one, but two of our members here on Spotlight from our DNA team. One of them is Javed. Now, Javed has been a member of the Continental chapter for about 3 years or so. He's actively supporting the Synergy chapter as a director consultant. And we also have Shirish. Now, Shirish has been a new member of the Gladiators chapter, and he's also supporting the Synergy chapter as the ambassador. So let's get chatting with them and hear more about their journey and their story with us here in PNI. Hello, everyone. Hi, Shirish, and hi, Javed. How you all doing today?
Hello,
Very
Raki.
well, Raki. Very well. Absolutely fine.
Firstly, thank you so much for agreeing to come on board here and do this interview with us. It's a pleasure to have both of you here with us. Before we get started with the questions, I want to get started with knowing you guys better and here for the audience as well. So, Shirish, you're fairly new compared to Javed Bhai. So, let's get started with you. Tell us about what your business is, how long you've been in BNI for the roles that you represent, and your BNI journey so far.
Thank you so much, Raki. It's really a lovely initiative. And yes, so about myself, I'm an architect by profession. And I started Matrix Finishes LLC, which is the name of my company, in the year 2008. Matrix is basically into supplies and also providing solutions for all the requirements of interior projects. And particularly, we deal with interior products as well as light fittings. So we call ourselves, creative partners on projects. So that's our role as Matrix. And as far as BNI is concerned, I say that adversity always brings opportunity. So last year during this period of lockdown, I was exploring new ways to for the business to get visible. And a friend of mine, he introduced me BNI to me, and then since then today, any planning I do, any business growth we plan, it has become a part. BNI has become a part of it, and that's about me.
That's amazing. And you would also like to share any other roles that you are having with our DNA team?
Sure. So I have currently taken up the role of a visitor host. So, a visitor host is basically we invite and ensure that any visitor who comes on board is welcomed well, and he is given enough importance and given the insight of BNI. So that's my role.
Great. And you are with the Gladiators chapter and you represent being an ambassador for the Synergy chapter, if I may say so.
Yes.
Great.
Absolutely.
Thank you for being here with us. And over to you, Javed Saab. Just tell us what you do and what roles you all represent and about your BNI journey.
Rakhi, I run an interior design and fit out company based in Dubai. The company is called Value Vision Decor Technical Services, and we are in the business for a little over 17 years. I have seen it all happening in Dubai, the good and the bad, the ups and the downs. But yes, staying strong for 17 long years in Dubai is a little tough. We provide turnkey solutions for interior design projects, right from conceptualizing to implementation for any interior design projects. We do interiors for offices, for showrooms, for boutiques, for residences. We are specialists actually in cinemas and restaurants. That is the food and beverage division. We work with math, with the Walk Cinema. Anything that you see when you go to Walk Cinema, where you buy your popcorn, the entire counter is done by us. The lounge is done by us. We do a lot of work for Walk Cinema. We also work for companies like Roxy, which is Meras Holding. And besides interior design and fit out, we also undertake project management. So if you have large buildings and large office buildings and apartments, the doors and the windows and the kitchen vanity units, everything we do on a turnkey basis. My journey with BNI, I always wait for a question, somebody to ask me what my journey with BNI, so I can talk a lot about BNI. My journey with BNI started a little over 3 years ago. And I was very, very, very averse to the idea of joining BNI because I have spent half my life in business, and a better part of that life in business is through networking. So somebody told me, come and join BNI. I said, now what is BNI and what is BNI going to teach me or make me learn more? But yes, after a lot of convincing, I visited the chapter one meeting, and then, well, I was completely taken aback. I told myself, where was I? What was I doing? So a little over 3 years, I've taken multiple roles. I've been a visitor host. I've been education coordinator. I've been vice president. I've been president. And 2 terms back, I was president. And then I said, now let me just concentrate on, developing the members. And then Pankaj Gupta approached me and he said, take up this role of director consultant with Synergy. So it's been an exciting and rewarding journey, absolutely. And this is what it's all about.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that story with us. And still continuing with you, Javed sir. You recently shared an experience about, where Shirish played a very critical role for you on a personal matter. And we're posting the testimonial here. The link will be there for the listeners to go and have a look at it. Is there anything else that you would like to add and share with the listeners about the core values of BNI?
First and foremost, Pankaj Gupta gave me only 5 minutes to talk about what Shirish did for me. I think I needed a couple of hours for that. But yes, it was a very touching experience, and that's what I narrated in the video before. Now, BNI, we all know BNI is actually built on certain guiding principles which form the foundation on which members, they interact, conduct themselves and achieve their goals. The 7 core values, as we call them, are basically not only help you with BNI, but I have learned that these are the fundamental values of life, absolute fundamental values of. You pick up any of the 7 core values, they are so beautifully and so detailedly crafted. It helps you in business, it helps you in your everyday life. You pick up any of the core values. If somebody will ask me what is my favorite core value, it is building relationship. Because anywhere you go, whatever you do, the first thing that you have to do is building relationship, because everything starts from there. Givers gain, or attitude and traditions, everything starts after that. So I believe that everyone who joins BNI, or everyone who is doing business or anything, has to follow these 7 core values. I tried to find other things as well. If I could add the 8th one or the 9th one or the 10th one, no, it sums up everything. It's like the 7 notes of music. You start looking for the 8th note, you cannot find it. Any sound in the world is one note, which is any one note of music. Exactly. The core values actually teach you how to lead your life, how to lead your business, do your business. It trains you to understand people. It trains you to develop relationships. It tells you accountability. If you are talking about doing something, the first thing that comes to your mind is accountability. You have to be accountable for everything. It teaches you discipline. It teaches you guidance. I mean, I can go on and on as far as core values are concerned. So core values, they form your crux and the base foundation of your business and your life.
Thank you so much for sharing that. And I love the metaphor about the notes of the music. Very well said. My next question would be to Shirish. Shirish, tell us what inspired you to do what you did for Javed Bhai?
So, what I have seen with my past experience, Rakhi, that when we encounter a sudden situation, we are not able to take it, and we have a tendency to avoid situations, and, especially if it is a health issue or something like that. So, when this kind of situation comes, you need a friend, you need a well-wisher who needs to basically understand the situation and brings things under focus. And that's what I think everybody will do. When I saw, and what I saw with when the situation with Javed Bhai, I definitely, at that point, there was only one way. I had to make things bring into focus and take decisions which were required at that time. So that's what I did.
Very, very truly said, Shirish. Now, Javed Bhai, over to you. Since you are the director consultant for Synergy, so tell us about the amazing growth, the experience that Synergy has been having in the last couple of months. What role do you see yourself having played in this?
Raki, BNI, Synergy, we know what they are doing, what they have done. It's basically, that chapter is a great example of the proverb, if there is a will, there is a way. Look back, in the last term, where were they? A chapter which was 35 members, and if I may say so, they were a little bit, sorry, but I'm using the word a little bit distorted chapter with members, but growing from 35 members to 46 members in a span of just 4 months, it shows amazing dedication, amazing planning, focus, commitment, teamwork. I mean, there are so many things. All these things actually made up the Synergy, what Synergy is today. And when I got the role as DC, when Pankaj told me, I did a little background of the chapter, and I said, let's sit down. And I spoke to the LT. I had a very, very brief chat with them. But then when I spoke to them, I realized that they are a completely self-motivated, self-driven bunch of people. Because they had decided, maybe they had not decided to do what they were doing before, but then when they decided to do it, every single member of the chapter got involved. I mean, their engagement, their dedication, their focus, everything was absolutely 100%. My role with them has just been, supporting them in terms of having discussions on how we move forward and keep moving forward. The momentum is so powerful that we do not see any reason for us to come down now. There is no negative. It's going to be only positive. So my role has with DC, as a DC with Synergy, has been one of a support member. I don't call myself a DC, because a DC's role is to take people in the right direction, help them when they're struggling, punch them when they're not performing, but all these things are not happening. They have taken it upon themselves like, regimentary discipline. On a war footing, they have gone. And I must say, every chapter should take a cue from them. I'm being a bit selfish. I'm talking about my chapter, but I wanted to talk about this. So my role has been very exciting, very interesting. It's an excellent relationship with them. We communicate very, very openly, very, very minutely. We discuss about everything. If the good is good, we say good. If the bad is bad, we say bad. We pull up members if there is any a drop in performances. We recognize members who are doing very well. Every single member. The LT is performing well, the MC is performing well, the members are performing well. So I see the chapter going only forward, and we have a target of completing 50 in this term, and then hopefully keep a target of about 60, 65 for the next term. I hope the next LT also takes, carries the baton the way the existing LT is carrying.
That's awesome, Javed Bhai. And how they say is a teamwork makes a dream work. And what we have actually experienced, and what we've heard about the Synergy chapter is risen from ashes, from where it was a couple of years back and how it's come up. So that's an amazing way to summarize and tell us all about that journey of the Synergy chapter. And Shirish, having newly joined in as an ambassador, for the viewers out here, ambassadors is just a role which is very much in line with supporting the new members. So again, your focus at the Synergy chapter will be to retain the first year members. And as we see the statistics say, nearly 50% of the chapters made up of the first year members. And knowing that the Synergy has the overall retention at 90%, which is amazing, what strategies do you have in mind to also make sure that the first year retention is equally high?
Exactly. So you have said it in the right words. 90% is already the retention, which is something phenomenal. And Javed Bhai has already explained a lot about Synergy and what is right with it. So I'll just go to what I feel we need to do next. I think the only thing which for retention which is required is integration. Once the candidates or the new members are integrated into the system, we don't have to worry about the retention part. So the issue, any new member who joins business or BNI, they have two things in mind. One is networking and another thing is business. Now, for both of the things, first, we have to create a credibility with the rest of the team. And that credibility will come once the core values are well settled with all the members. And then, and we do that by, let's say, three key ways. One is educating them. Second is engaging them. And third, I would say, is hand-holding them. So once we have done these three steps, they are already a part of the team. Everybody just simply gets integrated into the system, and we don't then need to worry about their retention, because then it becomes their own, interest and priority to be a part of that chapter.
Absolutely, and I agree totally with that, what you rightly said, Shirish. My last question for both of you would be, given that we are going to be approaching a new term very soon, what tips do you have in mind for any member out there planning to take up any role within his or her chapter or within the directors and ambassadors team? Any tips or advice you would like to share with them? Starting with you, Javed.
A chapter, I very strongly believe and love to believe it forever, is that it's like a family. A chapter is like a family because we have the social connection with each other, we have the business connections with each other. And like any family where every single member of the family contributes to the family, whether it is to the well-being of the family, the happiness of the family, or the growth of the family in good way. Every member who joins the chapter, who joins BNI, I think the fundamental thing is that he has to be connected, he has to be engaged, he has to be involved. And the most important thing that he can do for these three things is to take up a role. A role gets you into the groove of the functioning of BNI. Until the time you get into the groove of functioning of BNI, you cannot function. You will always be a person who's standing on the shore and watching. So every member, I would request, I would suggest, I would recommend, in fact, I would urge that every single member who join, whether he is new or should take up the roles, because it teaches them discipline, it teaches them accountability, and more than anything else, it gives them knowledge. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is absolute power. You become a member of BNI, and if you don't perform and you don't get what you're looking for, it's useless. BNI is there waiting to give you, but if you don't ask for it, you can't get it. So you have to get into a role to get into the groove of it. For the new members who come in, they should take up smaller roles and then climb up. For the senior members, I would say I have seen a lot of senior members, they refrain from taking up roles because of whatever reason. They have time constraint, they have other commitment, but BNI is a commitment. Come on, it is also part of your business. Do not keep BNI as an external club activity for yourself. It has to be integrated within your own business. I mean, I have my agenda with BNI included in that, integrated. Absolutely. As I give importance to meeting my clients, BNI is equally important. So I urge all the senior members who refrain from taking up roles to take up roles, because they are experienced, they are knowledgeable, they are looked upon. So they should take up roles and guide the younger ones. Every single member should get involved. And people who do not take up roles or do not get roles also should also get involved from the outside. You know, BNI, they should not leave BNI to be run by the LT and the MC and the support team. Everybody should get involved. So my request and recommendation is for every member to take up roles. Without roles, you are zero. Over to you,
Very well said. Very well said. Over to you, Shirish. Any tips or advice you would like to share with all the members?
Yeah. So, what I feel is most of the team members in BNI, they are business professionals and they are already running their business. Now, for each businessman, they want to basically expand. So what do they require for expansion? One is the structure, a corporate structure, which make things run on its own. And second is the leadership, which even though all the businessmen will have at some level, but they need to really groom themselves to be a good leader. So as far as the structure is concerned, the complete fabric of BNI is such that it teaches you how to manage things. We started saying that, all the chapters work on their own. So, it's like each member in one way or the other, they contribute, and then there is a LT team which manages it. So that kind of a structure, if people understand it and start practicing into their business, their mechanisms, their complete business fabric becomes very systematic. So that is one thing. Now, coming to the leadership, I think unless and until the businessmen start taking up the lessons of leadership by taking up roles into BNI teams, they cannot improvise. And once they take up roles, they will have a very, very, simple way to learn things, systematic way, vocal skills, communication skills to presentation skills, and everything comes very naturally to them. So this is my take. I would say that, to all the members, please take up these roles. They are not just for BNI, but it is for you to learn and to, groom yourself. So this is an opportunity. Don't lose it.
It's an amazing way of saying that. Thank you so much, Shirish. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, Shirish, and thank you so much, Javed Bhai, for such an inspiring talk, for inspiring everybody out here to take up roles and to also share with us your journey. We wish you the very best in your success with the Synergy chapter and with your membership and with your business as well.
Thank you, Rakhi.
Thank you.